27th June, Monday. I walked since morning and left the hotel in Des Moines around 2 p.m. towards Nebraska. Today, I traveled around 450 miles to reach Ogallala in Nebraska. Since I started traveling well after noon, going west on I-80, the sun is continuously hitting my face. Luckily, I have my black visor on my helmet. You see, I well into the plains of North America, with large wind turbines installed around, wide roads, very few people, and flat landscape. So, enjoy my video as I enjoy my ride into the Great Plains of America towards Nebraska. Thank you.